So welcome back to my channel, students. So now I'm explaining short answers questions from your chapter real numbers. Okay, so first question is, if x square plus y square is equals to 10xy, prove that 2 log x plus y is equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 2 plus log 3. Okay, so this sum is very simple and it is also very easy. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to prove this one. Okay, this statement you have to prove by taking this. Okay, so x square plus y square is equals to 10xy. This is given in the question itself. So adding 2xy on both sides, you have to add 2xy on both sides. X square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 10xy plus 12xy. Okay, so a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the formula? A plus b whole square. Okay, so these you have to take is equals to 12xy. Now you have to apply logarithm on both sides. Okay, you have to write what you are taking. Okay, here you have to write one step. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to a plus b whole square. Okay, so log x plus y whole square is equals to log 12xy. So now these two you have to take here, this power you have to take here, 2 log x plus y is equals to log 12 plus, if you are separating, you are taking log to these, what you have to do, you have to make this product as sum. Okay, log 12 plus log x plus log y, log 12 log 4 into 3 plus log x plus log y. So again you are separating this, what you have to do, log 4 plus log 3 plus log x plus log y. Now what you have to do, log 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the 4, okay, plus log 3 plus log x plus log y. This will become again 2 log 2 plus log 3 plus log x plus log y. So 2 log x plus y is equals to 2 log 2 plus log 3 plus log x plus log y. So this we have proved. So you have to write hence proved. Okay, so here 2 log 2 is given here, here 2 log 2 is there. Okay, nothing will happen. Okay, the answer will be same here. Okay, so this we have proved. Second question is, Lalita says that HCF and LCM of the numbers 80 and 60 are 20 and 120. Okay, so HCF is 20 and LCM is 120 respectively. Do you agree with this? With her, justify. So given 80 and 60 are two numbers. Okay, so 80 and 60 are two numbers. HCF is 20, we know this. This is given in the question. Then LCM is 120. So what is the formula for this? HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. This we know. Okay, this formula is given in your book. Okay, so HCF into LCM. What is HCF? It is 20 into LCM is 120 is equals to product of two numbers. What are the two numbers here? 80 and 60. So what is the answer? 12 2s are, it will be 24. 24, then 2 zeros you have to write here. Then 6 8s are 48. Then 2 zeros you have to add. These both are not equal. So both are not equal. So we do not agree with Lalita. Okay, you have to write this. Now third question is, show that log 162 by 343 plus 2 log 7 by 9 minus log 1 by 7 is equals to log 2. So now there is a short method of doing this. Okay, so what you have to do, log 162 by 343, okay, plus you have to take log 7 square. This you can take it as power, no, this side number you can take it as power, by 9 square. Okay, plus log 7 by 1. If you are taking plus here, means what you have to do, reciprocal you have to take, log 7 by 1. So log 162 into, again if you are separating it, what you have to do, if it is there in sum, you have to take the product. Okay, into 7 7s are 49 into 7. Okay, then by 343 into 9 9s are 81. Okay, now you have to do the cancellation. Okay, 7 4s are 30, 7 4s are 28. Okay, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, then 6 left here. 7 9s are 63. Then these 49 gets cancelled again. What will be the answer here? 162 by 81. So when you do 81 2s are, what will be the answer? 2 1s are 2, 8 2s are 16. So 81 2s are. So what will be the answer here? Log 2. Proved. Hence proved. Okay, log 2.